Good morning, dear students. Am I audible and my screen is visible? Somebody please respond.
Yes, sir, you're audible, visible.
Yeah. Thank you. So welcome to the session, another session on Python programming. Today we are going to discuss on dictionaries. Before we discuss about dictionary, let us look into the assignment that I have given yesterday. Coming on to yesterday's assignment, let us see how many of you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students have done. Starting with the first person to upload is Manimala. Yeah, Manimala, you have created actually the list. You have to take a list of words and later you have to find the length. She has already taken the length and okay, she is sorting and she is displaying. I can say 70% of your code is correct, Manimala. Only thing is you have to input. You have taken the input. You have already taken the existing string. You have assigned, initialized, but you have to take dynamically from the user the input, and based on the user input, you can do it. Okay, or you just create the similar one with. Okay, Yash Kumar. Let us see Yash. Code Yash is very exciting. Okay, he is taking an input. Okay, then converting that into a list. Okay, and he is processing the list as a sorted one, and he is appending to a new tuple, the length and its value. Yeah, he is displaying. This is correct. I say absolutely, it is perfect. Perfect code. So it's a correct code. Correct. It's a right code. Chandrasekhar. Okay. Chandrasekhar is also doing the same thing. Only thing is he's okay. See the difference between Chandrasekhar code and Yash code. Yash, are you there, Yash? If you are there, listen. Little improvement I would like to suggest to your code. Your logic is very good, but a very important thing that you have missed is the comments, which is not there in your code. Yes, are you there listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Next time, whenever you are solving and submitting the assignment, please do comment. Okay, your code is, your logic is excellent. The same logic he has done. Okay, he has created and he has done. Okay. Chandrasekhar, see, you have used unnecessarily t is another variable. Instead of that, directly you can input dot split directly. You could have done it. Okay, and you could have stored into a list directly. Okay, no problem. And f is another list. Okay, but where is okay? In f you are creating. So f is a list of tuples. Good. It's a list of tuples. So, yeah, the word and their length you are storing in tuples. Okay, good. And you are sorting the list. Okay, this is also fantastic. Correct. And is also I say it is excellent. It's perfectly correct. Dinakar. What Dinakar has done, yeah, Dinakar is also doing the same way. Good, Dinakar. Only thing there he has done, okay, same logic he has used. Correct. Dinakar, you are correct. You are also perfectly correct. This is a Python class. Okay. Python is 6 characters, classes. Okay. Perfect, Dinakar. Again, observe, there is no line has got a comment. See, ultimately, industry looks for comment. Okay, standard, that is a standard. Okay, are you there, Dinakar? Dinakar, if you are there, yeah, comment your code. Okay. Otherwise, it is excellent. I can say excellent is a super degree. I'll say very good. Okay. For Yash also, correct. And I can write. Very good. Right. I think. Okay. Dinakar, he has messaged. Next, Jayant. Jayant. Okay. Jayant is also right. Okay. He has taken the same sentence that I have given. Okay. He has taken the same sentence. Okay. Good. Ender 6. Break 6. Okay. Good. Yes. Look at there. If 6 and 6 are same, 6 and 6 are same. Y and W. X, Y, Z. Y comes last. Then W, W, X, Y, Z. W comes later. Good. Good. And 6B. B is coming at the beginning. See, all these are 6. So it is taking the reverse order. Okay. Light, what, soft. Yes. Good. This is also good. I appreciate the example that you have taken. Good. Okay, Jayant and Lavanya. Yeah. My name is Lavanya K. Okay, good. Lavanya, 7 characters. 6, 5 character, 4 character, 2 and 2. Yeah, good. M is bigger than I, so it is coming first. In my and IS has same length. Good. So excellent. Lavanya, again, the problem is we have not commented any of your programming lines. So keep that spirit of commenting. Okay. Good that you are putting a very good effort. So
Okay, sir.
good, ma. Very good. Just write and keep commenting. Okay. So when you write comments, it enhances your code readability. That's my major concern. And industry standard also. Industry looks at the people who code, who code and comment. Okay. So I have taken the same word. Yeah, one improvement I see. Everybody has used for loop, and nobody has used list comprehension. Why we have thought comprehension? Comprehension will reduce your code. Correct? No. See, txt. I can also write here. Instead of this, I can write. Instead of here, I have taken a static input, a static word, or else I can certainly write input directly. I can write it. So both are same. Okay. Whatever the input I give, it will store in a text. And I create a for loop for each word that I split. And in this one, what I'm doing, I'm writing length of that word and word. And I'm sorting it in a reverse order. Reverse is equal to true. Sorting that and printing it. See, I'm getting it. Ender, window, breaks, same. It's a list of tuples. List of tuples. Okay. Based on this, I have one assignment. Note it down now itself. Note it down now itself. Everybody, please note down. You have to store this India and 91, USA and 1, UK and 41, Japan and 9. This is India's STD code, USA's STD code, UK's STD code. Sorry, ISD code. I'm sorry, ISD, International Standard Dialing. Japan's ISD code, So these dialing codes, you have to store it in a, okay, you have to store the data pairs in a list, in a tuple, in a set, and in a directory. Sorry, in a dictionary. Dictionary concept I will be teaching now. Okay. Dictionary concept I am teaching now. Okay. So probably you will understand. Yeah. Right. This is the assignment for today's code. Anyhow, I'll be sending this in the Google Classroom. Okay. You have to store the pairs, data pairs. India and 91 should go as it is. USA and 1 should go as it is. UK and 41 should go as it is. And it has to be in a list, it has to be in a set, it has to be in a tuple, it has to be in a dictionary. Okay, that's the assignment for today. And if you listen to my class today correctly, you can able to solve this problem. Or else it is very difficult. Okay, why I'm telling is most of you have not solved the previous assignments. So that is my intention. I want all. See, if you solve only, you will get that mind of problem solving. Or else overnight, your mind will not develop the problem solving skills. Problem solving is a skill that you have to develop every day. Why I'm telling, in your placements, it is very, very important. In your placements, it is very important that you take up this. The skill, problem solving skill, will definitely help you in placements. Okay. Coming on to today's discussion. Python dictionary. What is Python dictionary? Dictionary is again another data set, another data type, data structure, I can say. So just like your list, just like your tuple, just like your set, dictionary is also one type of data storage, data container. Dictionary is also known as a map. And dictionary is unordered, mutable collection of key and value pairs. So it has key, it has values, key value pairs. So dictionaries are created by putting the key value pairs inside braces. Braces is nothing but curly brackets. So you have to put it in curly brackets. Look at here, one example we have given, curly braces. So we can put it in a curly braces like this. So Canada goose, 3. North, Fulmar, northern Fulmar, 1. So this is the key, this is the key, and this is the value. This is the key, and that is the value. India is the key, 91 is the value. USA is the key, 1 is the value. Think you are able to understand. Japan is the key, 41 is the value. It's just like that. Okay. So each key is separated by its value with a colon. Yes, that's what you can see here. The items are separated by commas. This is for one item. And second item, one item and second item, the one and the another item are separated by comma. And whole thing is enclosed within curly braces. An empty dictionary is written just curly braces, just curly braces. So since it is written just curly braces, so it is an empty dictionary. We can consider it as empty dictionary. And remember, set is also written within curly braces, and list, the dictionary is also written in curly braces. Only difference between set and dictionary is the elements of the dictionary are having two values. two components, that is value and key. Key and value, they are separated by colons, and every element is separated by comma. So you should understand all these things, because in the examination you may get write the difference between set and dictionary. Similarities and differences between set and dictionary. Maybe you have to write, chalk it out. Okay. Now, example. Look at the example. Bird observation. Suppose you are a bird observer and you saw from morning till evening Canada goose, 3 Canada goose you saw, and northern fulmar 1 you saw. You are recording it. It's just like that. Similarly, I can also store your USN and your score, test score. USN is your key and test score is your marks. That is just like that. You can have. Yeah, very good question. One student has asked. Sir, here Canada goose and you are storing the number. The same way, if I want to store USN and name, USN is the key, name and my score is the value. Can I have more than one variable for my value? Obviously, yes. For key, you should have only one value. For value, you can have more than one. For example, I can take another, I'll create another dictionary. Student is my dictionary. Student dictionary, I can write it as USN. I just take 1 RN 19 MCA. 19 MCA. Somebody tell your USN number. Chandru, you are 10, right? Yeah. I want to write Chandru or Chandrasekhar, comma, his score 24. Okay. So is it possible? Somebody was asking, sir, I will have only one value in the USN, but in the value part, that is key part is only one. In the value part, I'll have more than one value. So is it possible? Somebody, yes, you can have it as a list. You can have it as a list. So this is one item. Second item, 1 RN 19 MCA. Jayant, what is your USN? Jayant?
20, sir.
20. Okay, Jayant is 20. Good. I write Jayant, and Jayant's score is 23. Let me write. See, look at here. I can have the key. I can have the value. Value may be a single value, single variable value, or it may be a collection of values, another set. So which is possible. See, now this is student. I just write print, 23. Just write print student. I can write. When I run this code, yeah, somewhere, that bracket is missing, sorry. 23 bracket, yeah. So when I run this code, it is displaying. It is displaying. Yes. And one more student is asking, sir, is it possible to have the same key? Same key. No, it will not support because it is a map. It's a map. Mapping is nothing but it's a hashing concept. So only one key can exist for multiple values. It's just like a primary key concept. Okay, you cannot have the duplicate keys. You can have duplicate values, but keys you cannot have. You cannot have duplicate keys. So if I create, what happens? He's asking. Let me try one more. Okay, I'll just take the same thing. Okay, I just write okay, same key, but Lavanya and 24 I'll write. Okay, now key is same. Key is same, but values are different. Look at here. Will it allow? Obviously. The latest one is replacing the old one. Old one is gone. It will allow. But what happens? Only one copy is maintained. The latest one. Latest one is maintained. You understood the person who has asked this question. Duplicate keys are allowed, but if duplicate keys comes, what happens? The latest value will go to replace the previous value. So, Lavanya, what is your USN? Does anybody know? 23, okay. Sorry, here. Yeah, now it is correct. Now you see different keys, different values. See, Chandru, Jayant, Lavanya. So, all three friends, data is stored in different. Here, key is playing very important, and it is hashable component. It is storing like a map. That is what you can see. Keys are unique within a dictionary. Look at this. While values may not be, values can be duplicate values, but keys should be unique. The value of a dictionary can be of any type. It can be of any type. The value can be of any type. But keys must be immutable data. Immutable data type only. Such as strings, numbers, or tuples, etc. Immutable. Immutable. You can have tuple also as a key. You can have a tuple also as a key. Remember, key as a key you can have. You can have number, you can have string, you can have tuple as a key. Very, very important. Now, what happens when you create such a data structure? For example, I have given Canada Goose 3, Northern Fulmar 1. What happens? This is called birds. Birds is a dictionary. It's a dictionary. See, it is saying it's a dictionary. It's a container that contains the key value ID2, Northern Fulmar, it's a string, and ID1, the value. Value can be anything. Value can be anything. But the key should be always immutable data. It is very, very, very important. You have to underline this. Immutable data. Very, very important. The key should be always immutable data. So for second one, Canada Goose, the value this is the key value, and this is the value. This is the key, this is the value. It is stored. So tomorrow if somebody asks in the examination, create a dictionary and represent it in memory object diagram, write the memory object diagram. So you have to write like this. Hope you're all understanding, right? Very, very important. If you have paper and pen, please note down or take screenshot of it. Write somewhere, create your own dictionary and write the memory map. Then only you will understand. And of course, yeah. Again, Chandrasekhar is asking, can we do append? Yes, of course you can do. There are functions available. There are methods available. We can do it. We can do it. And observe very carefully. It's a mutable collection of data. Mutable collection. Mutable means you can do anything. You can add, you can change, you can update. Easily you can do it. You can add one more. I'll tell you how you can add. It comes in the next point. Okay. So first point, what is dictionary? It is clear. Second point, how it has to be created? It's clear. Next, what should be there in the key? What should be there in the value? It's clear. And its memory representation, how it has to be, that is also clear. Next, accessing the element. Accessing the element. Accessing the element in the sense, suppose after you create a dictionary, how to read? How to read it? Very simple. To get the value associated with the key, just put that. See, normally for list, what we were doing, we were using index numbers. Index number default value were starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or -1, -2, -3. It's just like that. 0, 1, 2, 3, or -1, 2, 3. It was starting. So instead of numerical index numbers, what you can do, you can give the key. You can give the key inside the square brackets. When you say that, automatically it refers to the hashing table and their respective value is bought and it is displayed. You can see here. Print birds to observations. Northern Fulmer. Northern Fulmer, how much it is having? Northern Fulmer is having only one value. Yes, it is displaying 1. Same way I can display. Print student. Is it student? Yeah, student of. Student of. You can write 1 RN. You can choose anything. I'll write 20. 1 RN 20. When I say 1 RN 20, it will display 1 RN 20's detail. Giant and 23. I can write 23 is the March. 23 is the USN. Lavanya. 1 RN 29. What happens? If I give a key which is not existing, definitely it will say error. Their list out of range. You'll get the message. Correct? No? The same way here. The key is not available. Key error. Key error will get. When do you get key error? When you are trying to extract the value of a key which is not present. In such cases, you get key error. And observe here, I just give 10. When I give the exact to this one, it will display. Chandru 24. Yes, it's just like that. Okay, you are going to get. So, indexing a dictionary with a key that it does not contain produces an error. It is key error, just like out of range index, the list. The same way, Canada goose. If I observe this, it will like. Suppose if I say Indian crow. Do you have Indian crow in the dictionary? No, it is not there. So it will generate error. It will generate an error. It's just like this. So This is a concept. Next, adding. As Chandrasekhar has already asked this question, sir, how to add new element? Once you have created, okay, fine. In my student list, I have only 110, 120, 123. Yes, what is your USN number? Yes?
17.
17.
17.
Okay, I want to add Yesh value and his marks. Okay, how to add? How to add a new key and new value? Or to update the value key, how to do it? Very simple. You see here, just like bird to observation, it is an empty. Snow goose 23 and birds to observation eagle 999 instead of something I have given 999. Now print. Now how to update? I want to add one more thing. I want to add one more. So for a student, I want to add student like student of 1 RN 17. I'll write is equal to. So in the brackets, I write. So Yash and his score 25 out of 40. Okay. Yes, I can write. Because the value may be anything. Value is normally a list. Here also you can see value is a student value is always a list. Look at here, it's a list. Chandru and 24. Same way, Yash and its value. Now I can print. Student. And I run it. Look at here. I have created bird to observation. Empty I did. Or else if I have not executed this code, what happens? The earlier value would have taken. Earlier value, it has Canada goose and northern Falmer. Yes. So if I remove this code or if I make it as a hash, okay. So it used to show. 1 second. So I had to run this. Yeah, I had to run this code. So, and I had to run this. Right. See, Canada goose, northern Falmer, snow goose, newly added snow goose, and eagle. Here in our case, Chandru was there, Jayant was there, Lavanya was there, and next Yash added. Adding a new component is like this. You can add. Suppose if you want to update. Now after this, Chandru got 1 marks hike due to total mistake. I made it. So I write Chandru. Yes. If I run this, and sorry, this I have to put it before I print. After print also it works, but it will print the old value. So now you see, I'm adding new element Yash and I'm updating Chandru. Okay, Chandru, sir, why are you calling Chandru? Write my full name, sir. Chandrasekhar. Okay. Okay, right. Like this. See, updation is also done. Updation also you can do. You can also add, just like how you are assigning value. It's the same way. It's the same way. So updating the values the same way. Here eagle is, I have made it as 999. It is not eagle 999. It is just 9. Look at here. If I run bird to observation, it was 999. Later I have updated to 9, just 9. Yes, it is. Removing value, very simple. Use a del and the dictionary with the key. That's it. It removes. So you are trying to remove snow goose. Snow goose is already there, 33. After removing this, if you display, if you run, so what happens? Canada goose is there, northern fulmar is there, eagle is there. Gone, snow goose gone. Gone. So you can use del. You can use del. Okay. Now, before I end my program, 3 minutes are there. Let us write a small program. Write a program to create a dictionary by taking name as key and phone number as its value. You ask user, please enter your name and please enter your phone number. Okay. You convert the phone number. And if the phone number is 0, you quit. So it has to keep on accepting this. And every time it has to create a dictionary. Name is the key and phone number is the value. So this process will keep on continuing until you press 0. Until you press 0. Okay. Let me write, enter name, Satish, phone number 9844329766, right? And it is asking for another name. I give so mom, so 9844330256. Another 0 and 0. It stopped. See, it has created Satish and mom. 2 values. It has created. See, this is a program to input, take input from the user, make it as name as the key and phone number as the value. You can do it. So that's all for today's class. And we have discussed defining a dictionary, creating a dictionary, accessing the elements and updating the elements and removing of elements with an example. Assignment I have already told. And that's all for today's class. Please enter your USN in the chat box for attendance sake. CR, kindly consolidate and send me the list. All the class recordings and notes are available in this particular website. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Chandru.